This kit was easy to install and is sturdy. Our kids love it. It goes perfectly with the ninja obstacle course I bought. My kids love to climb trees. These rocks make it so much easier. They are very easy to install and the straps make them very sturdy. Highly recommend we added a ninja course for extra fun. My children absolutely love this product. It was easy to put together and set up and seems extremely sturdy. My kids absolutely love tree climbing. I will be purchasing a second set to extend how far up they can climb. We've only tried it in our ash tree so far, but the straps are long enough to easily fit around any of our other larger trees. Held my 70-pound son and myself with no wiggle. Easy to attach and take off. Stores pretty small in a little Tupperware container. Overall a great buy. These things are amazing. I was honestly surprised at how tight we were able to get them. You can change up the holes or move the straps for when they get bigger or gain more confidence. These even held me and my husband when we tried it. The kids love climbing our tree now. Great toy and great price. My husband wanted to build a climbing wall, but this is so much better. Very good quality. Fun colors. My daughter wanted us to buy more so she can climb higher, but I think it's high enough for now. Perfect for my 5-year-old. As long as all pegs are facing the correct way, it is sturdy and there is not much give in the straps once on the tree. I am 5 feet 5 inches 120 pounds and it holds me just fine. One of the straps did arrive completely unattached from the ratchet itself though. The stitching was completely unraveled and I am not able to hand sew it back to how it should be sewn on. So I am down one strap. Wish there was a way to replace one strap instead of all 6 because my son uses these all day to climb our tree and swing from.